Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to literally remove your brake light switch on this Mercedes C220. Now we need to remove the brake light switch, which is underneath here, but we need to take all this cover off. So we're going to need to take out that bolt. Screw there, screw there, screw there, screw there, screw there. There's quite a few screws to get this whole cover off, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So now I need to remove this one as well. Get a fillet screwdriver or flathead screwdriver. And also this little cover here as well. Now, once all the bolts are out, this should be able to drop down. Let's pull it away from this bit. Like that. So you can see it's all off now, but you can see we've still got a handbrake cable attached over there. So literally, if you look underneath here, look, there's a screw there, so just remove that. Screw there. So once you've taken the screw out, literally just got to slide it through there, like that. And let's take this off. Now, to find our brake light switch, as you can see, that's our brake light switch up there. And there's no way you'll be able to remove this without taking off that panel. So what we're going to do now is just unplug that one like that, and that one. Like so. Have a closer look at that. You need to twist it to get that off. So to remove it, so you've got to basically just push the tab in like I said and turn it clockwise like that. Comes out just like that. I'm just showing you how to literally replace it. You need to replace it. You literally just got to line it back up. Make sure it sits in the holes. And then turn it, and it literally just locks back in place. And then literally just plug our plugs back in. Like so. So once we've done all of that, now we're going to put this cover back on. Obviously it's the reverse of what I just did, so literally just got to line this all up, and you've got to feed the handbrake lever. No, sorry, not unbrake. This is the actual bonnet release catch back through there. So first thing to do once you've lined the cover back up is put that screw in first. Now that's done, put all of these screws back in, including the one underneath the handbrake release cable. All of our screws are connected. I just need to get this one back in there. Like that. And then we've got this one here. Going like that. Then you literally just tighten that up as well. Obviously you need to lock that in place. So, thank you for choosing Gab Official. Please like, share and subscribe for other content on my channel. Stay blessed. Keep on rolling. Boom.